Right here, right here.
All right, I'm watching the end of this corridor. I see a shadow right there.
Roger.
Where'd that go? Where was that? Right here? Oh! Where's the door going?
Okay.
Hey, left side, Charlie.
Roger.
Did they toss this in?
Yeah, it landed way back there.
Yeah, you guys are good.
All right.
Hey, your primary's down?
Yeah, jam.
All right, I'm gonna trade with you. I need one shooter on this door. Cover this one right here. All right, you're gonna have one shooter across. Ready? Go. Hey, Tyler, watch right here. All right, you can fall back or take another corner.
I'm gonna move, okay? Go.
Hold on.
I'm down.
Got one down.
Tango down. Go, go, go.
I'm walking.
Tango down.
I don't got anyone.
Raj, keep your eyes open.
We have a doorway right here.
Yeah. Keep it checked. Where they at, JC?
The left side hallway.
Moving. I see him, I see him.
You can't get your 203 in there.
No, not yet.
I don't know if I can cross over.
Hey, Russ.
Hold it.
How long do we have to hold the position?
Kind of attrition type thing.
Ricochet's count.
Walk it out!
He's down. Tango down.
Can I get in there?
Hold on, not yet. Here, am I clear to move up?
Hey, what's behind us?
What? I got this thing, man. Am I clear to move? I'm moving.
Contact him, my window.
Come here.
Contact him, my window.
Wait. Tango down.
Thank you for getting me so close. Hey.
What?
Told you surrender. That was us within B.
I'm writing. There's no
I had my
engagement
gun
rule.
up in front of you. I said
He
surrender.
said no engagement rule when you're face to face.
Oh.
Alright, whatever. I'm out.
That should be a parlay, isn't it?
Yeah, technically it is. Hey, dead man walking. Dead man walking. Tango down.
Here, Tyler, you got the touch. Back up, I need to switch.
Roger.
Right,
Here.
take a shot and let me switch.
Go.
There is a dude on the left side.
Roger.
Side, like this far left?
Yeah.
Tyler, am I clear right side?
Yeah, you, wait, we got keep.
Someone's in there.
Go.
Watch your head.
We keep getting people come around this corner.
Yeah, I'm
Right
gonna come in here real quick.
Go.
We keep having people come around this corner right here.
I can't see what's happening on the left. We hardly have anything coming from the right.
Right behind this building.
Grab that one.
Just hold this point.
1 minute.
You ready?
Careful.
He's on left side.
Guy left side, shadows.
I see him. Where? Where is it? This side?
Right there.
All right. Hey, let's clear the black building.
Which way? Go around.
It's in the
Let's
middle.
Go around. Coming around. Three coming around. Ah, just keep moving. Just keep
Hey,
moving.
it's right here. Here's the entrance.
All right. And then the black.
Hey, there's John. There's John. They're moving.
Watch out. I got you right.
We got friendlies in here. Friendlies in here.
All right.
Go, go, go. We got friendlies. Go.
All right, I'm clear, right? Coming around.
Clear.
We got two. We got two. Oh, damn. I didn't shoot him. I could have. It's hit.
We got friendlies outside.
Okay. So we're clear up. Let's move in.
Going.
You dead? Yeah, I'm dead. All right. Come out. Clear.
Left side clear. Left clear.
Doing clear.
All clear.
Friendly. Unless you're green. You're green.
How low we got?
All clear.
I only have one.
Check the ground around you. Check the ground around you.
Thing was done.
Hey,
Left side, watch it, hard point.
Right there. You see him up.
Roger.
I got one right up over here.
Roger.
Top right.
hey, Tyler.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to make a swing to the right.
Okay.
Switching.
All right. Here's, we still got that one right there. There's one in the window. Back and straight.
Raj. No, I'm 10, you're out. I'm 10, you're out.
Search the ground around you guys.
Here, you cover this. Cover that. Just make sure they don't come in that door. What are you seeing? On your 6. Hey, what are you guys seeing?
Hey, Pete, move up. Move up.
Get in there. Get in there. Come on, get up there, guys. That just cleared the whole backside.
Hey, who wants to push with me?
Josh,
Come with me.
let's run over there.
That way, right there. The bomb right there.
Go and watch it. Far back.
Hi, Jared.
Get it? Hey.